पुणे के एसएसपीएमएस कॉलेज ग्राउंड पर कांग्रेस लीडर और लोकसभा में लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन राहुल गांधी का छात्रों की गुजर प्रोग्राम आयोजित हुआ, जिसका मेन पर्पस देश की फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स और यंग विमेन के साथ डायरेक्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन करना था। जहां अपने भाषण में राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि भारत की असली ताकत देश की 70 करोड़ महिलाएं हैं और उन्हें सिर्फ किसी की मां, बेटी या पत्नी के रूप में देखने के बजाय उनकी अपनी एक इंडिपेंडेंट आइडेंटिटी और फ्रीडम मिलनी चाहिए। साथ ही उन्होंने मनुस्मृति का जिक्र करते हुए पुरानी सोच के खिलाफ फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स को बी लाउड बी प्राउड का मैसेज दिया और देश में फीमेल ड्रॉप आउट रेट्स, फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस की कमी और विमेन सिक्योरिटी जैसे जरूरी मुद्दों पर विस्तार से बात करते हुए यूथ से अपना हक खुद आगे आकर मांगने और आवाज उठाने का आह्वान किया। सुनिए राहुल गांधी ने क्या कहा।
Thank you for this wonderful welcome in Pune. Today, I came to Pune not to give you a lecture, not to tell you what I think, not to talk politics to you, but more to allow you to express yourself, to say what you feel, to say what you think. And what I've done is I've put a little framework, some ideas to allow you to think, express yourself, and we'll discuss some of these ideas with young ladies from the crowd this evening. So I'd like to first of all start by welcoming everybody. सबका मैं यहाँ स्वागत करता हूँ और पहली बार शायद मुझे बॉयज कम दिख रहे हैं या दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं और लड़कियां दिख रही हैं। The idea behind this evening is, as is written over there, break the cage. I'd first like to remind you of one thing. Can I do that? Now, all of you in your lives must have been told many things, nice things, bad things. Many of you must have felt scared. You feel scared sometimes on the street. You do. But I want you to remember one thing. If there's one thing that you remember from this evening, it is this: that every single one of you is unique in this universe. If I was to look for any one of you, I will not be able to find a replica of that person. You are unique, you are special, you're individual, and you have your own dream, your own vision for your life. Am I right or am I wrong? I'm right. Many times people ask me, what is India's biggest strength? And you get many answers when you ask this question. Somebody will say our economy, somebody will say our military, somebody will say our medical system, somebody might even say our people. But I am very clear on what is India's biggest strength, our biggest asset. And that strength is 70 crore unique journeys, unique imaginations, unique dreams that the women of India are living. Somebody might say to me, well, there are 70 crore men. How do you say that 70 crore women are more important? What is your logic? My logic is the following. Women are by nature more sensitive, more gentle, more compassionate, and more forward-looking than men. And that is why I believe fundamentally that India's women, young, old, are India's biggest asset. Now, एक प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम है कि whenever I speak to a man, women are put in 3 boxes. You are either seen as a daughter, as a wife, or as a mother. Now, there is nothing wrong with being seen as a wife, daughter, or mother. Nothing wrong with it. But this cannot be your only identity. It cannot be that we have brilliant women who are doing completely fascinating and different things, who are professionals, who are sportswomen, who do multiple different things, and then the only identity that they are given by our men is these 3. And notice that every single one of those identities has a relationship with a man. So you are either a mother or a wife or a daughter. And I'd like to quote over here the Manusmriti, which says clearly, in childhood, a female must be subject to her father. Meaning, the Manusmriti says, in childhood, a female belongs to her father. In youth, she belongs to her husband. When her Lord is dead, she belongs to her sons. A woman must never be independent. This is a direct quote from the Manusmriti. And these words are a shame, because these words should never ever have been spoken. Hello, how are you? Hello. The biggest strength of this country is the fact that our women should be independent, should stand for themselves, should believe in themselves. You belong to nobody. You do not belong to anybody except yourself. You have a relationship with your father. You have a relationship with your brother. You have a relationship with your husband. You have a relationship with your son. But you do not belong to them. You belong to yourself.